Hi, this is Thor Thompson with your THOR Feed Inventory. Pending Inventory Setup. From your dashboard, select your menu in the top left-hand corner. Go down a few and we will select Feed Inventory. Next, you'll select your Pending Inventory. If there's any inventory that is in pending or waiting for particular details, you'll see this. I'm going to go through and we'll add a new. So we're going to go to the bottom right, select the plus to add. When you have that, you will see that there's 5 areas that you can complete. 1 is the class, which you need to complete. 2 is the lot, which you need to complete. Prepay does not have to be completed or attached. Cost does not have to be attached, but you do have to have a storage form. We'll start with the class. These are built upon the things that you put into your setup. So we're just going to take some corn silage, select a lot, and we're just going to go to the corn lot. Prepay, you can see that we have 2 in there, but I'm not going to attach any at this time. With the cost, you can put it in by vendor with a total amount, or you can put it in a detailed format to say, this is how much I paid in additives. This is what I did for gas. And all of those are automatically added up and summarized. With your form, this is very important because we have a lot of detail that goes into your form. You have pits, piles, bags, bales, and other forms. Each of them can have different shapes. So as we look at this, you're going to see that there are piles that go from base to slope, slope to peak, slope to slope, peak to slope, and the same thing for the pits and piles and bags. I'm going to put in 1 bag. You could put up to 100. We're going to just say 1, and we're going to update the quantity, and automatically you have 1 form that's set. I select that 1, and I will name it New Bag. I select the length. I'm going to say it's 100 feet. This is where it gets really fun because we have dry matter adjusted or as is tons. And I'm going to show you this real quick because in the dry matter we could put in 100 tons. And if you look at the dry tons per foot, it automatically comes out to 1 ton per foot. If I remove that and I say I'm going to put in adjusted tons, and I'm just going to do this, I put in 399, it automatically calculates your dry matter tons and your dry matter tons per foot. Let's say I have only as is tonnage, and I'm going to put in 396, but I must put in a dry matter percentage, and I'm going to say that's at 66%. Automatically your dry matter tons, adjusted tons, and your dry matter tons per foot are calculated. As I'm done with this, I can just back out and we have it in the pending. Now if I want to go in there and I say, wow, that's not exactly what I wanted, I'm going to update this form. I'm going to update my new bag, and I'm going to say, you know what? That was not actually there with those. And we're going to back this out, and I actually had 101. And then when I'm finished, I say mark is complete. Are you sure you want to move it to current inventory? And you say yes. Back out. And go back to your dashboard where we see bag 1, bag 2, bag 3, demo 1, our new bag with our 101 tons. That information is automatically taken from that form and taken up to your dashboard. Oh, your feed in the palm of your hand.